to do, how I would look like in the 1930s trend on TikTok. First open TikTok. Now go to search option and search for 1930s filter trend. Now here you will find lots of videos of the same trend. Now you just have to click on any one of the video and then click on 1930s. Try this template option give above the username. Now click on use this template. After clicking on it you will be automatically switched to CapCut. Now just click on use template and add your photo from gallery. And now click on next. Now your video is ready. First check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.